Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Hunger Games in Infinite Craft. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. It's a very long process to make Hunger Games in Infinite Craft. You can see in the background, I am creating it in the easiest way. So you have to follow the steps I'm doing in the background. You can see just create these things like me, and it will be easy to create Hunger Games. And it's so many things you have to match here to create Hunger Games. It's a very big and long process, so not very easy to make it, and I'm here to make it easy for you. And you can see I'm creating it by the by. Just match these things to create it. Game has been made. You can see now you have to create it. So you can see there's a lot of things here to create it. You need a lot of things, and now your Hunger Games has been made. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.